Samantala, handang ipagtanggol ng Malacanang ang legalidad ng Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement o EDCA. Kasunod ng paghain ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema ng ilang dating senador kaugnay sa legalidad nito. Kabilang sa naghain ng petisyon sina dating Senador Rene Sagisag at Wigberto Tañada. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, inaasahan nila ang pagkwestiyon sa nasabing kasunduan. Muling tiniyak ng Malacanang na naayon sa saligang batas ang bawat probisyon sa EDCA.
Well, certainly there will be voices who will not be in agreement with the signing of the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, but we have made it very, very clear that if you look at the provisions of the EDCA, you will see their provisions sustaining and maintaining the position of the provisions on the Constitution regarding bases, regarding related matters with respect to basing. So I think we believe that the government can ably support and defend the position in case a petition is filed or if a petition has already been filed before the Supreme Court.